که در مقایسه آشکار با پنجارهای حقوق بین‌الملل، اصول منشور ملل متحد و حتی حقوق بشر هستند.
Ladies and gentlemen, members of the cabinet, leaders of the business community, I really feel honored to be here on the 46th anniversary of Iranian Revolution and Iran's National Day. I hope that our interactions will bring our two countries closer than ever. The smooth development of relations based on mutual trust and warmth with the neighboring and friendly Islamic Republic of Iran is of particular importance for Pakistan. I am confident that warm and neighborly Pak-Iranian relations, firmly based on mutual respect and trust, will reach horizons for the benefit of the development of our countries and welfare of our people. On my own behalf and on behalf of the people of Pakistan, I convey to you and through you to all the people of your country my sincerest congratulations and best wishes on the occasion of National Day of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, victory of the Islamic Revolution. They remember Iqbal as Iqbal Lahori. This is a matter for pride for Lahore also. And there is so much else. It is not just that we have to talk of those bookish academic reasons in which we normally speak in our bilateral relations. Iran and Pakistan, they host millions of our people. That is religious tourism, which is for Iran when people go with their to pay their respects to the bazaars of imams. But sir, ladies and gentlemen, the tourism, the culture, the film, the sports, it is a lot. The politics, which is occasionally geopolitical situation, which is occasionally beyond our control, but people flourish, situations change. And I honestly believe that the Iranian people, they have shown with their steadfastness that they can survive whatever is facing them. God bless you. Thank you very much.
बैठना मेरे क्या